What up, Marvelous DJs? It's DJ Mike Marvelous here, back with another cheat code to level up your DJ game. What if I told you you can mix with Spotify, YouTube, and even my karaoke go-to, KaraFun? But there's a catch. Let's get into it. Cheat code. Alright, DJs, here's the first cheat code. Let's say you're in the middle of a gig and something goes sideways. Your library's glitch, your USB decides to take a break, or maybe you just didn't bring that one track your audience is dying for. Enter Spotify. Now, while you can't directly integrate Spotify with Serato like Tidal or SoundCloud, you can still plug in an aux like your phone or device into your mixer or PA. You can still plug in an aux like your phone or device into your mixer or PA system and play those hot tracks directly. Quick and seamless. Just remember, you'll need premium to avoid those awkward ads. The last thing you want is for your ads to play in the middle of an event. Here's a pro tip. Keep an emergency Spotify playlist locked and loaded with bangers you might need in a clutch. Next, let's talk about YouTube. We all know it's the land of infinite music. A guest asks for a song that's nowhere in your crates, it's a different version, it's a little different than what you already got. Boom, pull it up on YouTube. Here's the kicker. You can run the audio output straight from your laptop, phone, or tablet into your PA system. Make sure you have a 3.5 millimeter to RCA or similar cable on hand. It's always good to pack that bag of dongles, trust me. Just be sure that the Wi-Fi at your venue is stable, or better yet, download your tracks ahead of time. Alright, this one's for the DJs who want to get into the karaoke. I've used KaraFun. It's like Spotify but for karaoke tracks. If your crowd's feeling vocal, pull up KaraFun on your computer, use the output cord that we just talked about, and watch the party turn up. It's also handy when the vibe calls for sing-along anthems or throwback hits. If you can add projection or plug into an output that takes HDMI to show lyrics to the crowd, that tends to get them turned up a little bit more. I'll make another video on KaraFun. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Syncing these platforms with Serato. Unfortunately, you can't directly use Spotify, YouTube, or KaraFun with Serato like you can Apple Music now, Tidal, or SoundCloud. But here's the cheat code. You can output the audio from those platforms and bring it into your system. Think of it as a workaround to keep the party going without skipping a beat. Just be prepared for manual mixing. Don't rely on beat grids here, folks. You gotta actually mix. I always found it fun to mix in the real tracks instrumental as the singer's in to add the transition from one song to the next, or mix while we wait for the next performer. Alright, Marvelous DJs, there you have it, your cheat codes for turning potential disasters into DJ gold. Whether you're tapping into Spotify, spinning tracks off YouTube, or dropping some karaoke fire with KaraFun, these hacks are here to save the day. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more game-changing tips, and let me know what dongles or adapters you don't leave home without in the comments. Until next time, keep spinning, stay marvelous, cheat code.